The first product of Jetour Automobile's lightweight off-road series, Jetour Traveler, will start pre-sale at the Chengdu Auto Show, which will open on August 25. It is understood that Jetour Traveler is positioned as a mid-size SUV with a tough SUV design style. The fueled version provides 1.5T and 2.0T power according to consumers' preference. In terms of appearance, the Jetour Traveler is equipped with a darkened air intake grille. The English word mark, Jetour, with a light effect is integrated with the grille decoration. On this basis, the vehicle is equipped with an off-road style front bumper structure, while also having longitudinally arranged auxiliary lighting sources recessed on the left and right sides to improve lighting range in the wild. Viewed from the side, the body of the Jetour Traveler has sharp edges and corners. With its wide wheel brow shape and curved waistline design, the look of a tough SUV is intuitively presented. In addition, the vehicle also offers a suspended ceiling design, roof boxes, side steps, rear privacy glass and other equipment are also available. At the rear of the car, the Jetour Traveler is equipped with tinted vertical taillights. The tailgate adopts the side opening method common on hardcore SUVs, and a square, small bag is placed in the middle of the tailgate. In terms of body size, the Jetour Traveler's length, width and height are 4785/2006/1880 mm respectively, with a wheelbase of 2800 mm. Interior-wise, the Jetour Traveler uses many hard lines to outline the center console, door panels and other areas, offering color-matched design schemes for users to choose from. On this basis, the car uses an octagonal two-color steering wheel with a built-in LCD display, a large-sized central control screen with a floating layout, and is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. In terms of power, the Jetour Traveler fuel version is equipped with 1.5T and 2.0T turbocharged engines. Their 2.0T engine has a maximum power of 187 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 390 Nm and uses the 6th generation BorgWarner quad. It is also understood that the Jetour Traveler will also launch a plug-in hybrid version consisting of a 1.5T engine and electric motor. According to previous reports, the starting price of Jetour Traveler could be around 150,000 yuan, and future competitors in the market are expected to point to the second-generation Haval Big Dog.